welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today I'm sharing with you this beautiful look that I actually done for Valentine's Day. This is look number 2 using the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette, and this is a soft date night look. You can switch it up, do your own twist on it like I always say. As always, you're going to prime your lids first and foremost. I'm using Milani Eyeshadow Primer, and I have a little bit of powder to catch fallout. Now first we're going to go in with this bottom shade down here, 5th row first shade, and this is a matte taupe shade, and I'm just going to take, and forever looking out that window, and windshield wiper that in the crease very messily on a fluffy blending brush. And there's no rhyme or reason to this, we're literally just putting our shade in our crease, just very messily. We'll fix it later. And you just want to keep building that up little by little, because it's easier to build it up, because it's going to be a lot harder to try to take that mess away if you mess it up, if that makes sense. Now for the eyelid, I'm using NYX's Glitter Eyeshadow Primer, and this is just going to give the next shadow something sticky to stick to. You could also use NYX Pigment Primer. They're just a little bit tackier than normal eyeshadow primers, so I definitely recommend that glitter and pigment primer from them. So this shade, first row, 6th eyeshadow, and this is an iridescent icy pink. So it's an opalescent kind of pink. It's a white and a white base, but it has a pink shift to it. Very beautiful. Practically duochrome, love it. So that is going to give that extra primer, is going to give that something to stick to, and it's going to make it really pop. So I'm just going to press that and place it on the lid into that base, really pressing, not so much, a little bit of pressing, a little bit of dragging, overall pressing though, so it can have the most max color payoff or pigment payoff. And I'm also applying a bit of that in my inner corner. Now this shade here is a matte white, so any matte white, any highlight you choose will work. I'm just applying this under my eyebrow, and I'm going to bring it down into the crease shade, and I'm going to bring back the crease shade, a little bit of that on the fluffy blending brush, and we're going to blend our matte highlight with the crease shade. We're also bringing the crease shade on the lower lash line, just kind of buffing that in a little bit, very light wash of that. So this is the AOA Studio Liquid Eyeliner, and I did a kind of a more extreme, bolder wing than I normally do, and it was Valentine's Day, so I just did it. And then we're going to tightline using the Believe Beauty Long Eyeliner in Cavier. We're going to do that, and I do like how this look came out. This is a Jordana 24-hour eyeshadow pencil in Continious Almond, and I'm putting that in my waterline. This is the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara, and I'm applying a couple coats of that to my lashes. I'm really liking this mascara. I think it looks good on my lashes, and for $1 you can't beat it. Now this is the Rimmel Kate lipstick in 102, and if I had to do the lipstick over, I definitely regretted this shade. I wasn't happy with this shade. It almost identically matched the shirt I'm wearing, but you can use any shade you want with this, darker, lighter, nude, whatever you want. Lip gloss, if I had to do it over, I'd probably do a gloss with this. I do like how the eyes came out, so I hope you guys enjoyed the second look I've come up with using the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette. I thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Stay tuned for more looks using the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette, more softer looks. I'm loving the direction of these videos. Thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.